To unlock the door from the outside, place your hand over the keypad and enter your code, followed by the check mark. Wait till the motor finishes and the chime goes off before opening the door. To lock the door from the inside, lift the handle up and move the deadbolt over to the left. If you ever open the other door, make sure that that is lifted too in order to latch the multi-point door. To unlock from the inside, simply turn the deadbolt to the right. Unlock from the outside, first make sure that the secondary door lock has been activated by lifting the handle up. Then proceed outside. From the outside, first lift the handle up, then place your hand over the keypad. If you accidentally lock the keypad before lifting the handle up, it will look like this. To fix this, you need to enter the code again, wait for the motor to complete, then lift the handle up and place your hand over the keypad.